As for the game show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, the dollar values of each question are shown in the following table where k equals 1000, and between which two questions is the percent increase of the value the smallest. So we can start by taking the value of 100, and then that goes to 200, and then so we can find the percent increase by having the original value, which is 100, plus the x% increase of the original value 100, and that equals 200. And then the x is what percent increase from 100 is 200. So if we calculate for x, we get 100% increase from 100 to 200. And then if we have 200 to 300, we get the original value of 200 plus x percentage of the $200 value, and that equals 300. So if we find x, we get 50%. And then the value of 300 to 500, we get the original value of 300 plus x percentage of 300 equals 500. So we can find that x is approximately 66.7% increase. And then it wanted the smallest value of percentage increase. So the smallest is 50%, and that was from $200 to $300. So our answer is going to be B. And then the second method we're going to use is a faster method to calculate the percentage. So if we use that method, then we can use the same value of 100 to 200. And then we can see that 100 times 2 equals 200. So it has a 2 times increase. And then from the value 200 to 300, we can see that 200 times the value is going to equal 300. And then for the value, we can write 300 over 200, so the 200s can cancel out, and then we have a 300, so it's equal to the 300. And then if we calculate the value of the box, we get 1.5, so it's 1.5 times increase. And then if we have the 300 to 500, we can see that 300 times a value, which is a box, equals 500. So we can see that 500 over 300. So 300s cancel out, and we get 500 equals 500. And then the value in the box is approximately 1.7%. So it's 1.7 times the increase. And then from here, we can see that the next value is 500, and then it's 1000. So we can see that it's a 2 times increase, because 500 times 2 is 1000. And then it's the same for 2000, because it's a 100% increase, and it's a 100% increase. And when we get to 64,000 to 125,000, double of 64 is 128, so it's going to be approximately 100%, and then it maintains 100% for the rest of the way. So we didn't need to calculate that, since we can assume it's 2 times. So the smallest is going to be 1.5%, and that was from 200 to 300. So the answer is still going to be B.